Class 12, let us start the exercise. Not the Before starting this, let me explain the substitution method of integration. What is method of integration? Now, integration, this is a technique of reducing the integrand to one or other of the fundamental form by the change of independent variable. Okay, now let I is equal to integral fx dx. Okay, therefore di dx is equals to, obviously it will be only fx according to the derivative and integration definition. When this is the integrand part is fx, integrand part is this one. So di dx, when we will do the derivative of this integral part, we will get only the integrand part. So let us substitute x for phi z. X is equal to phi z. Then what we will get? Therefore dx is equal to, dx will be phi dashed z, obviously, into dz. Okay, therefore dx dz will be phi dashed z. Okay, therefore di dz is equal to di. We have to change the variable. Just see, di dx into dx dz. Okay, di dx is equal to fx, already we have got. So write here fx, and dx dz is equal to phi dashed z. So write here phi dashed z. Okay, therefore what is di? Then what is di? Di will be fx into phi dashed z and then dz. Got it? Now if x, what is x? X we have taken as phi z. So write here f phi z. Okay, and phi dashed z is also there. Then this is dz. Okay, therefore this is di. Therefore di means, from di to get I, we have to just integrate. Di is equals to integral f phi z phi dashed z dz. Okay, therefore I is equal to integral f phi z phi dashed z dz. This is the way how to find the integral by substitution method. Okay, now let us write some important forms and standard integrals. Let us write some important forms and standard integrals. Let me rub the book. Number 1, some important forms and standard integrals. Forms and standard integrals for this chapter. Number 1, if n is equal to minus 1, then integral fx whole to the power n f dash x dx is equal to 1 by n plus 1 fx n plus 1 plus c. Okay, number 1. Number 2, integral f dash x by fx dx is equals to log fx plus c. Okay. Number 3, integral e to the power x fx plus f dash x is equal to e to the power x fx plus c. Integral tan x dx is equal to log sec x plus c. Integral cot x dx is equal to log sin x plus c. Number 6, integral sec x dx is equal to log sec x plus tan x plus c. Or we can write it, everything you will get in the book also, but still I am writing because you have to write this before starting the chapter in your exercise copy. Integral cosec x dx is equals to log cosec x minus cot x plus c, which is equals to, or we can write it here log, sometimes we can write log cos x minus cot x, or according to the problem we can write log tan x by 2 plus c. If it is required to represent in log tan x by 2, we represent in this way. Here also integral sec x dx log sec x plus tan x plus c. If according to the problem, if it is required to express the form in this form, then we will express in this form also, log tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Okay. Now we will start the exercise. Write it down, everyone. Okay, coming with the new video with the for the exercise.